When the internet was new, doing online business was easy. You need a product and you need to send traffic on your product. For example, you have the product worth $200, you purchase traffic to sell the product. How to purchase traffic? Just by running ads on Facebook, Google, etc. So let's assume you need to spend $1 to show your ad to one person, which means your CPC is $1. Then you need $100 to show ads to 100 people. And let's assume your conversion rate is 1%, which means out of 100 people one person buys your product. So you spend $100 and one person buy your $200 product. You spend $100 and earn $200. So for every dollar you spend you getting $2 back. If you create a system in which you are putting dollar and you are getting $2 back, maths is simple. If you spend $100 you will get $200 back. You spend $1,000, you will get $2,000 back and so on. This was happening when the internet was new. But now competition in the market is too high. If you take the same example, where your CPC was $1, now it is $3, that means you need to spend $300 to show your ads to 100 people. And if only one person buys your $200 product, you spend $300 and earn only $200, you are losing money. You are spending $3 and getting $2 back. Most businesses think that the problem is in the traffic or its conversion. But Russell Brunson says it's neither a traffic problem nor the conversion. He says that you can't afford to purchase the traffic. To fix this you need to fix your funnels. Back to the example, instead of $200 you are earning $500, then your business will be profitable. In this video I will give you a summary on what funnels and how to fix funnel problems from the book, DotCom Secrets by Russell Brunson. Section 1. Ladders and Funnels. To start the book, Russell introduces you to the concept of the value ladder. This is a visual mapping of all the products or services you can offer to your dream client in ascending order of price. Ideally, you would like to sell people your best, most expensive product, right? But it's unlikely someone would buy that from you if they didn't know who you were yet. With a value ladder, you can offer something to people at a lower price point where they are more willing to pull out their wallets. Then once you demonstrate the value you can actually provide, you'll get a certain percentage of buyers climbing up your ladder to purchase your more expensive but more value-packed products. For example, value ladder for a dental practitioner would look something like this: teeth cleansing, lightening, retainer, cosmetic. Those 4 steps in this particular worth ladder are examples of what a dentist can use. The consumer comes in for a routine tooth cleaning. Then the dental practitioner says that your teeth could be lightened a bit, so he then upsells you on teeth whitening. And after that, after the bleaching, he upsells the retainer by stating that you might take advantage of making use of a retainer. And lastly, the dentist says that you can take advantage of cosmetic dentistry. Each step up the ladder, the price goes up and up. Think about your company and see what you can include in your value ladder. Funnels. In the other parts of this area, Russell informs you how to best set about beginning your sales funnels. A funnel moves people through the sales process. The objective is to have them get in the funnel and convert as a lot of them as possible and have them return for more. However, prior to all of that, you initially need to figure out who your dream clients are. Russell made it pretty clear in the book that without this knowledge, you will not succeed in running successful funnels. Section 2. Your communication funnel. The next section is all about communicating with your audience. First, Russell talks about creating an attractive character. This is all about coming up with an online persona that will attract people to you and help you build a following. These are your loyal fans who will be the ones to rush out to buy your products. There are 4 elements you need for an attractive character: having a backstory, the ability to speak in parables, being able to share your character flaws, as a polarizing figure. The second half of the chapter describes 2 of the most effective email marketing strategies for keeping your list engaged. The first is called the soap opera sequence. Its purpose is to help you bond your new leads with your attractive character. The key idea behind this sequence is to keep each email open-ended and entertaining. By doing this, your subscribers will want to open every one of your emails. The next email strategy is the daily Seinfeld sequence. These are the emails you need to be sending to maintain your relationship with your subscribers. Because if you don't interact with your list on a regular basis, they are going to forget about you, and your future marketing efforts will decrease in effectiveness. What makes the daily Seinfeld emails work is that they are entertaining. So each email is 10% content and 90% entertainment. Start doing this and you will see your open rates, click rates, and conversations dramatically increase. Section 3. Funnelology. The third section of DotCom Secrets is all about funnel fundamentals and the strategies behind a successful funnel. One of the important points that Russell emphasizes here is that you shouldn't start from scratch when creating a funnel. It's highly likely that people in your target market have already created successful sales funnels. So leverage their experience when creating your own. To do this, Russell highlights the 5 elements of any successful campaign, and he teaches you how to reverse engineer your competitors' funnels. Next, Russell goes into the 7 phases of a funnel. Here's a quote from Russell that highlights why you need to understand each phase. The real difference between having a 6, 7, or even 8-figure business is whether you understand the phases of a funnel and can successfully monetize the different points along the line. One of my biggest takeaways in this section was the importance of setting up a pre-frame. To maximize your success, you need to properly set your visitor's state of mind prior to every step of your sales funnel. To do this, you will need to know your traffic's temperature so you can create the proper pre-frame bridge. Then you need to qualify your subscribers, buyers, and your VIP buyers, the big spenders. Understanding and implementing all these steps will help you get the most value possible from each subscriber while also delivering the maximum value. The last part of this section, Russell goes over the 23 building blocks of a funnel. He likens creating a funnel to playing with a set of Lego blocks. So creating a funnel for your business is a matter of mixing and matching the different blocks together. Section 4. Funnels and Scripts. I found Section 4 to be the real gem of the book. This is where Russell goes into detail about some of his best sales funnels. We learn the psychology he uses behind each funnel and how they work. Then, most helpful of all, he provides you with fill-in-the-blank templates so you can implement each funnel for your own business. He also goes over the specific rules he uses for structuring the perfect one-time offer. This is important because the one-time offers are where you really make the true profit from your funnel. The 7 funnels he goes into are: 2-step free plus shipping funnel, self-liquidating offer funnel, continuity funnel, the perfect webinar funnel, invisible funnel webinar, product launch funnel, high-ticket, 3-step application funnel. What I like is that these funnels are based on Russell's own real-world experience with them. For example, the 2-step free plus shipping funnel is the exact same funnel he uses to sell DotCom Secrets and ClickFunnels himself. It's kind of funny. He built a funnel to sell ClickFunnels using ClickFunnels. It's a great example of eating your own dog food. Section 5. ClickFunnels. In the last area, he reveals you the power of ClickFunnels. For those of you who do not understand what ClickFunnels is, it is simply a site where you can pick templates for a funnel and modify it to your liking. If you wish to achieve success selling online, you must certainly have a look at ClickFunnels. They make it easy to try before you purchase with a 14-day totally free trial. DotCom Secret is merely the method consumer behavior is heading. Even for organizations that have a physical presence, most consumers will have their very first interaction with the company online long prior to they ever appear in person.